everybody, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and it's time once again, 12 beers of Christmas. If you don't know, this box is available at Costco, and it's 12 German beers, and we're about to have number 5. But let's do a quick recap. Started here. That was episode 1, Meminger. And then we went to the Airbrow. I wasn't a big fan. And then the Tannin, which is pretty good. And then the most recent one I did was the Mein Gross Liebe, which is literally means my big love. And this is really good. So now, I don't know if I can pronounce this. It's Schnitzlbaumer. Try that. Lager beer. The information's on the screen. And here we go. Beer number 5. So we're back to that kind of fragrant lager style. Very German lager like the first 3. I enjoyed the Pilsner very much, so hope this is getting that direction. Color-wise, looks more like a Pilsner. There is a yeasty nose to it, but it's not like smelling bread like a couple of these have been. So let's see what this is like. So it's pretty good. This is kind of in between these two. It has the Pilsner-like characters without the spice, but it's not overly full of like drinking a loaf of bread feel. So yeah, this one's better. So we're almost halfway, and it's going to start getting interesting to say the least. But until next time, eat and drink fabulous. I just did a video that was by request about how to set up your home bar, so check that out if you haven't already. And if there's something you'd like me to review, make, explain, whatever, let me know. And for those of you who've been watching the golf videos about Wichita Public Golf, I really wanted to try to get around today. It is the 22nd of October. Time is running out to get in decent rounds now. Crazy enough, it was 88 degrees in Wichita today, which is wild. And I'm going to try to go get in 9 holes at a different course tomorrow while we still have decent weather. Until next time, eat and drink fabulous. I'll see you soon. Cheers.